Hey there, future shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in financial tech to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to use Affirm virtual card in 2025. If you're tired of traditional credit cards and want a flexible, interest-free option for your online purchases, Affirm's virtual card is a game changer. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to get started with Affirm. Head over to the Affirm website or app and create an account if you haven't already. It's quick and secure. Just enter your basic info, link a bank account or debit card, and verify your identity. Once you're logged in, look for the Virtual Card section in the dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Next, generate your virtual card. Affirm lets you create a one-time use card for specific purchases, which is perfect for added security. Select the amount you want to spend, and Affirm will issue a unique card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Pro tip: double-check that the card details match the purchase you're making. Now, it's time to make a purchase. Add the virtual card details to your online shopping cart just like you would with any other card. Affirm often partners with retailers, so you might see it as a payment option directly at checkout. After confirming, Affirm will handle the payment and set up a repayment plan tailored to your budget. Think monthly installments with no hidden fees. One of the coolest features in 2025 is the integration with smart devices. Link your Affirm card to your phone's wallet for seamless tap-to-pay options or even voice-activated shopping. Keep an eye on your Affirm app for real-time updates on your payments and balances. Finally, managing your Affirm virtual card is a breeze. Track your transactions, make early payments to save on interest, or pause the card if needed. Remember, responsible use means staying on top of your repayments to build your credit score. There you have it. Using Affirm's virtual card in 2025 is straightforward and empowers you to shop smarter. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.